Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I welcome all of you on our PVM's YouTube channel. Friends, today in 8th Standard English we are going to learn 1.3 Trees are the kindest things I know, a poem by Harry Benn. Friends, do you know who was Harry Benn? Harry Benn was American screenwriter and children's poet. He was specifically famous for his screenwriting. In 1949, he wrote a book, The Little Hill, from which our today's poem is taken to in our syllabus. Trees are the kindest things I know. Friends, if we think properly the uses of trees, you can remind that trees provides a lot of things which are very necessary and quite helpful for all of us. And that is why the poet is telling us the importance of the trees in this poem. So before going to start the poem or before going to explain the poem, let me read the poem. Listen it carefully. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on a hollow wind, and in the spring new birds of green. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of a morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. So, in this poem, if we try to understand each meaning of the line, you can find that the trees have been given a lot of importance. Actually, they are important. So, let us understand the poem. See, here we have first two lines. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. See, the poet is saying us, he is telling us, trees are the kindest things. They are the kindest in the world. They are kindest in the environment. As they do not harm, they simply grow. They only grow. They grow for environment. They grow for the benefit of environment. They grow for the benefit for all of us. So therefore, they grow and they do not harm. It is very important. हो मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी असं म्हटलंय, कवी असं म्हणतो की ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग, या जगातील सर्वात दयाळू वस्तू किंवा दयावान जर कोणी असतील तर ते झाड आहे. ते फक्त वाढतात आणि ते कोणालाही इजा पोचवत नाही. या पद्धतीने या दोन ओळींचा अर्थ आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सांगता येईल. अँड स्प्रेड अ शेड फॉर स्लीपी काउज अँड गॅदर बर्ड्स अमंग देअर बाउज. सी, ट्रीज give a shade. They give shade for sleepy cows. They not only give shade to sleepy cows, but also they give shade to human, birds, and all these things. And again, they gather the birds on their branches. Boughs means branches. मित्रांनो, झाडं प्राण्यांना, मानवाला, पक्ष्यांना सावली देतात. आपल्या फांद्यांवर ते पक्ष्यांना गोळा करतात. Trees can be called as a natural habitat for birds. So therefore, trees are very important things for all of us. And that is why the poet is saying that trees are the kindest things. See next two lines. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. If I ask you what different things trees give us, definitely you can try to tell me the answers, like they give us fruits, leaves, woods. Yes, of course. These are important things given to us by trees. मित्रांनो, झाड आपल्याला फळं देतात, झाड आपल्याला पानं देतात, आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाचं, झाडांपासून आपल्याला लाकूड मिळतं की जे आपल्या घराच्या बांधकामासाठी असेल, फर्निचरसाठी असेल, त्याचा उपयोग होऊ शकतो. And therefore trees are very important things for all of us. Again, another next two lines tell us a very important message about trees. And leaves to burn a Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. Leaves to burn a Halloween. Halloween. What is Halloween? Halloween is a kind of festival which is observed in Western countries in autumn season. Halloween, it is a kind of festival which is observed in winter season, specifically I can say winter season in Western countries. Halloween काय आहे? तर हॉलोवीन हा असा एक फेस्टिवल आहे, तो असा एक सण आहे की जो पाश्चिमात्य देशामध्ये विंटर सीझन असेल, या विंटर सीझन मध्ये तो साजरा केला जातो. ऍक्च्युअली trees give us leaves on this at the time of this season, at the time of this festival also. You know that it is winter, and therefore to get warm, so the people collect the leaves. Actually, at this time also, trees generally shed their leaves. They shed their leaves, and shedding leaves, maybe one can say that people collect the leaves to burn to get warm there, and at that in this festival, and therefore this festival is also observed in winter season. So at that time they give leaves there, and in the spring there are new birds of green. In the spring there are new birds. You can find that small new birds in the spring, and after spring season the birds turn into leaves, and in summer season they give shade there, they give coolness there, and that is why trees are very important. मित्रांनो, हॅलोवीन या सीझन मध्ये झाडाची गळलेल्या पानांपासून त्या ठिकाणी शेकोटी तयार केली जाते, त्याच्यापासून ऊब मिळवली जाते, आणि त्यासोबतच ही जी गळालेली पानं आहे, या सीझन नंतर त्या ठिकाणी झाडांना पावसाळ्यामध्ये नवीन बडिंग, ज्याला आपण म्हणूया की नवीन पालवी फुटते. तीच पालवी कालांतराने जेव्हा पानांमध्ये रूपांतर होते, आणि त्या छान सुंदरशा पानांमध्ये रूपांतर झाल्यानंतर उन्हाळ्यापासून ते पानं जे आहेत, उन्हाळ्यापासून ते हिरवंगार असं झाड जे आहे, ही सावली देतं, त्या ठिकाणी गारवा देत असतं. आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी लेखक म्हणतो, कवी म्हणतो, ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स. सी द नेक्स्ट. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. They are the first when days begun. See, when morning sun, you can find that trees grow at a particular height. They grow at a particular height. So they are taller, and therefore when they are the first to hold, or they are the first to catch the sun rays. Beams means sun rays at that time. And even night time, even evening time, as one can say that evening time, they are there to hold that light of evening time. And therefore trees are called here as important things. They are called here as kindest things. मित्रांनो, सूर्य जेव्हा उगवतो तेव्हा सूर्याचे सर्वात प्रथम किरण जर या पृथ्वीवर कोणावर पडत असतील तर ते म्हणजे फक्त झाड. आणि सूर्य ज्यावेळेस मावळतो त्यावेळेस सूर्याच्या मावळण्याचा जो प्रकाश आहे तो पण शेवटी कोणावर जर राहत असेल, टिकत असेल, तर ते फक्त झाड आहे. आणि म्हणूनच या ठिकाणी आपल्याला असं म्हणता येईल की झाडं जे आहेत, झाडं हे प्रथम असतात की जे सूर्याची किरण झेलतात, आणि ते प्रथम असतात की ज्यांच्यावरून सूर्याची किरण हे शेवटी नाहीसे होतात सूर्यास्ताच्या वेळेस. अशा पद्धतीने झाडांना या ठिकाणी झाडांचं महत्व या ठिकाणी सांगितलेलं आहे. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of a sleepy children long ago, trees are the kindest things I know. See, when moon floats on the sky, in the night time, when moon floats on the sky, when moon is on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. They hum. Hum is continuous low sound, one can say that. Continuous low sound, humming. गुणगुणणे आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, low sound. And drowsy lullaby, they sing a drowsy. One can sing by listening this lullaby. Lullaby is what? What is lullaby? Lullaby is soft, slow song. Specifically, one can say to put children to sleep. So that is lullaby. Lullaby, that is. So you can find that when at the night time when the school when that moon is on the sky, at that time when the wind blow through the trees, at that time trees create sound. They hum there. They hum. Their humming is compared to lullaby. That soft song to put children sleep. And in this way you can find that at the night time these trees they hum there, they hum a drowsy lullaby there for the sleepy children, and therefore poet is saying here that trees are the kindest things I know. So this was the last line, and you can find that the entire poem has one idea only, that how trees are helpful for all of us, how they are important for all of us, and therefore the poet has given here importance to them in telling them or in showing them that they are the kindest things, and that is all here. So I hope you can understand it better here. Okay, thank you friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.